One human race, connected by a shared experience, the human experience. Fascination with the intricacies of AI's potential in business should be balanced with an equal fascination of the intricacies in our human connection. Neuroscientists have discovered a secret world in human connection, proving the existence of a powerful yet invisible electromagnetic field, sending constant signals between human hearts, triggering nature's response. In your business today, the greatest impact on your customer experience is your people's feelings and emotions. Boredom, enthusiasm, resentment, loyalty, these are powerful messages, and they're being received. Unspoken, often unintentional micro-expressions are impacting your profitability every day. Even in an AI-dominated world, it will be human interaction that creates the competitive advantage. I was in an airport heading for the TSA clear lane. Turned up the bright on my phone to present my boarding pass to the agent. She scanned it, stepped back, never once looking at me. I didn't move until she finally looked up. "Hi, Yolanda," I said with a big smile. She giggled, embarrassed, her hand covering her mouth, and then our eyes met, and we exchanged a smile. It took only seconds. It was magic. Abracadabra means I create as I speak. I connect with those around me, and both your employees and your customers want to be seen, heard, and valued. This generation does not even believe the next generation will be better off. Optimism is at an all-time low. The answer is a new original thought, AL. Authentic learning. AL is also a suffix, meaning relate to. Origin becomes original. Person becomes personal, and magic becomes magical. While AI is training to be polite, with AL, TotallyToni is unlocking 7 secrets to human connection so you can get magic.